How you doing, first graders? Okay, so this week we are doing science in our science block of time. You're going to click on your Studies Weekly button. Now, we have been working with light for a few of our science weeks. Today we are introducing sound to that conversation. So you're going to make sure when you go to your Studies Weekly button, that you click on the Science magazine. It's the one at the top. So click on the Science magazine, and when you scroll down, the last assignment will be sound and light. It's week 12. Week 12, sound and light. You're going to click on that, and now you know how I like you to do this. I like you to listen to each of the articles. So push the play button, and it'll read all the articles to you. There will be activities and tests that you can do. I think for today and tomorrow, you should read through and listen through each of the sections at least twice. And don't take the test until Friday. That way you've been studying the information over the course of a few days, and in the last day of the week, you take your test. That's how you should do it. But it's your life. It's your how you roll. So you're going to listen to each section, do the activities, and take the test all throughout the week. You're going to be learning how we use sound and light to communicate, which is so cool. And then you're going to have an activity here at the end to make a secret code with your own lights and sounds, which is just too neat, and I would love to hear your secret codes. It'd be super neat if you found a way to spell your name with Morse code, or how to spell your name with like the light communication techniques. I think that would be super interesting. Give that a Google. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.